Up here, we've got a selection of buttons. Simply what you do is you just press them and it takes you straight through to one of your colleagues or a person you're choosing. Going down here, we have the voicemail section. Well, when you press here, it's a mailbox. Pressing this button takes you back home. So when you're in the menu option, pressing that takes you back to the home. This is an interface used for going up and down on the menu. This is your contacts page. This is the Avaya menu homepage. And this is a history of missed calls. Going down here, we have the option, if you have a handset in, to prioritize the headset, you press that button. Go through to the speaker, you press that button, primarily used for conference calling. Here we have the arrangement of numbers to dial. We have the mute button there, the volume button here, and it's as simple as that. Firstly, we're going to go through how to make a call and put that call on hold. Simply, you would pick up the handset, or if you had a headset on, put in the number. So in this case, we're going to go through to the pharmacy by pressing this button here. Pharmacy pick up, and then you simply press the hold button to put them on hold. To resume the call, just simply press up, and then connect, and then you're back on the call with them. If you actually need to transfer it across, simply press the transfer button, and then either the extension you need to put it in by punching in here, or just simply pressing another button here. They then pick up, you hang up, and then they're speaking to each other. So you want to listen to your voicemails. Simply what we do is we press the message button here, and you've got a selection of options. We pick the top one under listen, press OK, and then you've got new, old, and saved options for you. If you want to listen to an old one, you go down, press OK, and then if you had one, you go into a menu of options.